Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro and Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So I can imagine that this tutorial will be useful if you've accidentally changed the system language and you have no idea what to do. Then I'd like to guide you through the steps. So let's tap on the settings. And here in this list, we have to scroll completely all the way down. Now let's localize this gear icon, which is System and Update. So let's tap on it. And here tap on the third position, so Language and Region. So here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got, in my case, English, Russian, and Ukrainian. So let's tap on Edit to add another language. So here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on this plus icon next to it. I'll pick Turkish. Your device will immediately ask you whether you'd like to set the Turkish, in my case Turkish, as a default one. So just tap on yes. And your device will immediately change the language. Right now the whole system is displayed in the chosen one. If you've got more than one languages added here and you've got the desired language here, all you have to do is to tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Then tap on this first option to change the language, and now in my case I've got English applied. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit and here tap on the minus icon next to the language which you'd like to remove, and as you can see we've got only one language applied here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.